I'm going to show you step by step how you can generate thousands of dollars over and over again every single month using DeepSeek R1, and you can get started doing this today, and you can promote any products out there. You can promote Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Digital Step 24, ClickBank. You could promote your own product, you could promote your own website, and you can get thousands and thousands of visitors and thousands of clicks every single month doing this. Now, before I dive into this video, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time on my YouTube channel, then make sure you smash that subscribe button. The subscribe button is below this video. Just click on that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell. If you have questions, just leave a comment. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. And don't forget to click the share button and share this video with the people you care, because this one video is more than enough to solve all your traffic problems permanently and change your life. So let's dive into this video. Okay, so first of all, what we're going to do, we're going to go to ClickBank. Now, if you don't have a ClickBank account, just go there. Register your free account. ClickBank is absolutely free of charge. You can join ClickBank for free. And once you have come to ClickBank, you're going to go to the ClickBank Marketplace. And in the ClickBank Marketplace, we are going to choose a product related to health and fitness. So I have searched a product down here called Java Burn. Java Burn is a product that teaches you how to lose weight incredibly fast. Okay. So we are going to promote this product on using DeepSeek and generate thousands of clicks and potential sales promoting this one affiliate product. So let's just check this product out. When you check a product, you want to check the gravity score, you want to check the commission, and you want to check the sales page. So when I check the gravity score, is 122.68. It's doing quite good. Look at the commissions, $166.15 in commissions, which is very, very good, okay? And if I go to the product sales page, it's a quite attractive product. It's got a video, it's explaining a lot of things. And it's not a digital product, it's a physical product, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to promote this product, and we are going to start generating traffic. So for this, we're going to need 3 tools, okay? We're going to create an account with 3. Actually, it's going to be 4 tools, okay? First of all, we need an account with DeepSeek. So go to DeepSeek. If you just go to DeepSeek down here, go to Google and type in DeepSeek, okay? You're going to see something like this. Just go here and create your free account. We need DeepSeek because we're using DeepSeek to generate clicks and sales. That's number 1. Number 2, you will need an account with Bitly. So bit.ly. Go there because we're going to shorten the URL. Alright. So let me walk you through what we're going to do here so we can start generating traffic. Okay, so we are here on ClickBank. I'm going to click on promote. I'm going to add my nickname here. I'm going to click on continue, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to get my affiliate link. Now, ClickBank is giving me this long affiliate link. Every time I drive traffic, someone purchases the product, I generate a sale. So I'm going to copy this link. Okay, I'm going to come back to the top. And then I'm going to go to Bitly and I'm going to shorten this link, and we're going to need this link. So we're going to click on create new. We're going to go to shorten a link. I'm going to paste that link here. Okay. And it's automatically going to get the title out for me. If it doesn't, then we'll just type it in. It's not getting it. So let's just do it manually. Java Burn. ClickBank. ClickBank. So I know that this is a ClickBank product. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down, and then down I'm going to create a custom back half. Now you could leave this blank, but I highly recommend you do it. Okay, I'm going to put coffee burn. I hope this is available. No, it's not. Coffee. Okay. Let's see what I can do. If I could put something like coffee burn 21. Let's see if this works out. Great. Okay, so we have got our affiliate link from ClickBank and we have shortened it. Now what we're going to do is we are going to go to a platform where you can get unlimited free traffic and unlimited commissions. Okay, doing this now, if you do this on a regular basis, you can generate so many clicks and so many sales. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to go to the website. Okay, now the website is called Threads. We're going to use threads.net to generate free traffic. Check this out. Okay, look at these people posting, okay, on this and getting comments, and a lot of things are happening on this. So what you need to do, first of all, you need to go out there and create a free account with Threads. And then when you create your free account with Threads, what you want to do is you want to enter your profile. Very, very important. Now, don't worry if you don't know what to write. We're going to go to DeepSeek and we're going to ask DeepSeek to write this profile for us. So first of all, I'll come to DeepSeek and I'm telling DeepSeek, please help me come up with a profile handle for my Threads.net account about coffee. Something catchy and something short and related to coffee. Let's do this. Okay. Okay, so let's see what DeepSeek came up with. Okay, so we could see that DeepSeek, here's some catchy title, short and sweet. Okay, so they came up with so many down here. This is going to be the profile name. Thread.net handle ideas for your coffee thread. So I'm going to do something from here. Let's see what I can find. Coffee vibes. Okay, that's looking something good. If I come back to my thread, let's see. Alright. It's telling me I can't change this just because it's linked to my Instagram account. Quite interesting. Okay, fine. Let's just leave that as it is. Let's just go to the next one. Let's tell... Can you please come up with a bio for the Thread.net profile? I want 3 lines. The last line should be the call to action to get a special energizing brand of weight loss coffee. Let's just do this, okay? So I came up with another one, giving another prompt to DeepSeek to do something very great for me because it's not allowing me to actually add a handle, okay? So there you go. Health, coach, and coffee enthusiast. Without crash DM energy for a sip of my brew. Let me do a few. Okay, so I'm just going to take this one, alright, and let's just paste it into this. Okay, DM energy for us. Okay, how culture coffee enthusiasts help people lose weight without crash. DM. Okay, done. Okay, and down here we're going to paste our link. Now, I told... Okay, we're just going to take our link from bit.ly. Let's copy that link. Let's come here. And then we're just going to paste that here. Okay, done. There you go. Show Instagram value when turned off. The Threads badge on your Instagram profile will also disappear. Okay, probably if you switch to probably you are able to reply to others. Okay, so this is looking good. Okay, I wanted to change the name as well, but it's not allowing me because I just attached to my Instagram account with Threads. Okay, but if you do create a separate account, you will able to have a handle especially to coffee. So in my bio, I put something like health coach and coffee enthusiast, helping busy people lose weight without a crash. DM me energy for a sip of my metabolism boosting brew. Okay, or I could put check out the link. Check the link in my bio for a sip of my check the link. Okay, bio. Okay, check the link in my bio for a complete coffee weight loss overview. Okay, check the link. Let's just make some changes. This is real time. I'm doing it right in front of your eyes. Show you. Check the link in my bio for a complete coffee weight loss. Okay, link in my bio. Let's just not check the link. Let's just put link in my bio for a complete coffee weight loss. And if I just go to that ClickBank product, let's see if I can get some ideas from the sales page. Okay. So what do I see here? Do I see anything? Right. Alright, so let me just put something here that's going to work out. Link in my bio for a complete coffee weight loss burn. Let's just put that for now. Okay, I'm going to make some changes to this, and I'm just going to do this. Okay, so there you go. My profile is ready. There you go. Okay, now I'm going to go back to, so you can see my link here. People click on it, they buy the product. Guess what? I make money. Alright, so now you have create thread, follow 10 profile, add profile. This is what they're telling me to do. So create thread, say what is on your mind, and share recent highlights. So I could just click on create, and I could create a thread. But for that, we're going to go back to DeepSeek, and I'm going to say thanks. Now create some posts for threads.net for me so that I can get traffic to promoting the Java Burn product. The sales page for the Java Burn is here. So I'm just going to copy. Let's just get rid of the hop size. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to copy that here. I'm going to come here, just paste it here, and then I'm going to come back here, copy this, come back here, and I'm going to paste that here, and then I'm just going to tell to do a great job for me. I'm telling DeepSeek to create a post for me, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a quick post. Guess what? All this is going to be done for me. Look at this. Boost your metabolism with your morning coffee. Java Burn is a tasteless weight loss forever, blah, 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 blah. And this is all happening. Click the link in my bio. And if I keep on doing this, guess how much traffic I'm going to get? I'm going to get thousands of clicks, thousands of visitors, and thousands of sales. Okay? So let's just wait for it to load. Okay, so I said 20 posts, yeah? Skip the seller, keep the coffee. Java Burn got your back. Click here, okay? Whoa, that's looking great, man. Alright, so let's just choose one of them, okay? Title, weight loss, gimmicks. Java Burn works with your body, not against. Just add it to your coffee. More info, link in my bio. Let's just take one here. Let's come back and let's create a thread here. Title, weight loss, gimmicks. This works. Not put Java Burn, don't put that. This works with your body, not against it. Just add it to your coffee. More info, link in my bio. Okay, let's post this. Okay, and this is post is going to go out, and then I'm going to start receiving some kind of traffic. Okay, now you want to create a post every single day. You want to start doing this on a regular basis, but there's one more thing left. Guess what? You can automate this. You can automate this whole process and create 2-3 posts every single day, all on completely autopilot. How? How do you do this? Let me share this with you. Now, before I dive, if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, smash that subscribe button, share this with the video with the people you care, and give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. So, let me show you. The website is called buffer.com. If you go to buffer.com, it's a free website that you can join, okay? And you can connect your first channel so you can see all these free traffic. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Threads, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, I know, let's just do this one, okay? We're going to connect this Threads with it. Buffer is requesting answers to yes, yes, yes. We're going to say yes to everything. If you say no, it's not going to work. Yes. Okay. So there you go. Look at this. Create your post plan. Let's just click on this and look what happens. Look at this. Which day would you like to post? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Number of posts per day. 1, 2, 3. We will automatically select time slot spread throughout the day. Make it easy to one-click schedule content a week. Create post plans. And this is how you do everything, my friend. Or everything automated. So you want to go back to DeepSeek. Okay, you want to create, I just showed you how to do 20 posts. You could do 100 of these and automate the whole process. DeepSeek will go out there, automate everything for you. Come to buffer.com, tell Buffer you want to automate everything, create these posts, and guess what? On a regular basis, you're going to start seeing all these posts going out onto your threads.com .net account. You're going to start getting interaction, you're going to start getting likes, comments, shares, and followers, and you can start getting clicks, traffic, and then potential ClickBank sales, my friend. No more excuse, I don't have money, I don't know how to do this. How do you do this? Everything is here for you. So in this video, I showed you step by step how to make thousands of dollars over and over again using DeepSeek R1. Go ahead, start taking action, start doing this today, and I will see you in my next video.